Very quickly, guys, I just wanted to correct an error I made in the first video. When you click the STL file to download it, instead of clicking on Save, just click the little arrow and click Save As. This allows you to name your file. I would give it my first name and my last name. Also, notice at the top where it's saving it at. It's saving it on this computer, this PC, and it's saving it in the Downloads folder. So go ahead and click Save. Notice it's saving it as a 3D object. Okay. So once that you have your design saved, go ahead and open up the Dremel 3D. This is the slicer. You have to move your file off of your hard drive onto this slicer. So it's very simple. You just click Load, go to your Downloads folder, and you can look right here and it tells you you're in the Downloads folder on this PC's hard drive. And here it is. See the 3D object, Tressie Fowler? I'm going to open that up. And once it's here, I'm going to click the Build button. What that does, when you click Build, and once again, you're going to have to save it as your name again, but this time notice that you're changing it to a .3 Dremel. So this is actually the file you have to use when you are downloading it into your 3D printer. So we're going to click USB cord. That's going to send the information from your PC into the 3D printer through that blue cable we have connected. Leave it set to standard. That way it won't be too fast, it won't be too slow. And then just click Save. If you'll notice in the upper right hand corner, it builds very quickly. It converts the files very quickly, and you can watch the color fill up where the D is located. You can also see the number increase to 100%. And then it will start your printer, and it will heat up the extruders, and you'll be good to go.